Hi there, I know you have some questions and concerns about the proposed interoperability and pre-authorization rule that the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, released. Let's delve into this pivotal moment in the U.S. healthcare industry. A report detailing the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services proposed changes is out. These changes are aimed at enhancing interoperability and simplifying the prior authorization process. This impacts not only hospitals and clinicians, but also Medicare Advantage organizations, Medicaid, Children's Health Insurance Program fee-for-service programs, and other health plan issuers. The implications for U.S. healthcare organizations are significant. The first point of interest is the Merit-Based Incentive Payment System, or MIPS. The proposal introduces a new reporting measure for eligible hospitals and clinicians related to prior authorization activity. They would need to report the number of prior authorizations for medical items and services electronically. This may seem intimidating, but the report suggests that healthcare providers should already have this data stored. The task of extracting it and formatting it for reporting, however, is up to them. This is crucial for healthcare organizations as it adds another layer to the data they need to manage. The second major point is the Provider Access API, aimed at making more information available to clinicians for improved patient care. This is an extension of a similar initiative taken in 2020. The proposal now mandates that payers make various data available to in-network providers. This includes patient claims, encounter data, and even prior authorization requests and decisions. As a healthcare organization, this means your systems must be prepared to handle this influx of new data. Your EHR needs to be current, workflows need to be adapted, and clinicians need to be trained. Interestingly, the use of standard implementation guides for these proposed APIs will not be mandated. CMS believes that these guides play a critical role and recommends their use but is not making it a requirement. This puts healthcare organizations in a difficult position. It offers some flexibility, but it also introduces the risk of implementation variation, which could lead to rework later on or worst, fail to solve the issue that it tries to address. Lastly, the proposal includes requirements for payers to provide educational materials on using the Provider Access API effectively. This is a relief, as it means healthcare organizations won't be entirely on their own in trying to navigate these changes. So, what's the takeaway? Healthcare organizations have some work ahead. There are new metrics to track, more data to manage, and additional processes to implement. But it's all for a good cause. Improved interoperability and streamlined processes can only mean better patient outcomes in the long run. In conclusion, it's a lot to digest, but it seems to be a step in the right direction. Thank you for your attention, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.